Skeletons, farmers, farmer skeletons.
Just had no time. But lucky, I flexed on Go away. Go away. Nope. Go away. Leave me alone. No, no, I want to. Ah, no. Let's get into another game. Damn. Andy, man. Wow. That was just, wow. Unbelievable.
Look up, it's the Ghats and Ghouls here to...
That was disgraceful. My goodness me. No! God damn it! Why? Okay, let's do... What? We can do... I wanna do one of these. 4 out of 40. Unable to do. Okay, let's go back. Go back. Damn it, who cares? Okay. Ah! Open! Thank you. We can do team deathmatch. Let's do team deathmatch. Alright, let's go for this one. Alright, let's do this one. Woo! Okay, team deathmatch. I will go for the... no. Okay, cool. Oh no, I can't move around. God damn it! I want to move around. Okay. Okay, let's be on the blue team. Hello. Let's go to spam the chat. I don't know why. Woo! Okay, waiting for players. Oh, so we got 4 out of 10. So it's gonna be a 5v5. That's pretty good. Maybe we should go with him. I don't know. Yeah, let's go with this diamond armor. Let's go with this. Oh my gosh, this guy's got fireworks. Whoa! My goodness! Holy snap. Oh my god. Holy damn, man. Whee! Just waiting in the lobby. Dun, 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 dun. My god, how many? Okay, that's it. Stop me. No, I'm not waiting any longer. Go into one of these ones, and let's see if we got jackpot. That's what we had in the last episode. not that long ago. Guy Fawkes Day. You probably hello, hello. This is my team. So I hope they do. Whoa! Someone's gonna fire already. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, oh, whoa! Fire charge, damn. Alright, let's go.